And welcome back, Grillman's Garage. It's a beautiful day. It's a Sunday. I think it's the 23rd of February. Yes, it is. Okay. It's about -2, -3. It's colder than it seems because it's damp. I'll put the forecast up here. We have today the Potensic Atom. The Potensic Atom version 1. Okay. Just version 1 this time. There has been a lot of word on the internet and Facebook and that about the latest update that came with this, the 6.6 for the app and the newest update for the flight controller, that it somehow affected range or connectivity. So we're going to take it out today. We're going to go out over the lake, have a look, come back, 2.7K, have a look, see what it's like before I freeze to death. Okay, so let's get this going. So here we are, we're all connected. We've got the screen recorder going, we've got on the pad here, we're going nice and high, lots of snow, have the controller, everything's working fine. Have the little makeshift riser that I made, just a bunch of wood there, just lifts it off enough so that when I do a screen recording, it doesn't interfere with the microphone. Okay. Speaking of microphones, today we're using the Ulanzi by itself, no connections, no wireless connectivity, none of that stuff, internal only. Okay. So it's recording internally. It's got an 8 gig internal memory. So we're using the Ulanzi AM18, I think it was. I'll put another picture up here what it is. Anyway, let's get this up. Let's see what happens, okay? Here we go. Look at that. And it is solid. It's almost like a Mavic Mini. Let's take this around here and see if we can play around at a low level with the snow. Let's come down a little bit. There we go. And we're just going to go around nice and slow around low level to the snow. Look at that. Really good. Turn around. That's really good. Very nice and easy. It is in video mode, so it's nice and slow. Let's get that up and running. Okay, here we go. We're going to get up here now. Okay, let's start that video. There we go. And up we go. Get up to that 35 meter mark. Bring that down. There we go. Okay, 39 or so. There we go, 42, a little high. Anyway, there we go. What's that look like? Our EV is at 0. Can we bump the EV up? Not while we're going anywhere. No, we can't. Okay, stop the video. EV. Yeah, let's go up. 0.5. Up. Up. A little much. 1. We'll go with a 5. There we go. Okay. Start that video again. Boom. Turn around. Let's have a look at the other house we always look at. Okay. It is very overcast. I said about -2-ish. Okay. Feels cold on the hands, but let's go and head over this way. We haven't been this way for a long time. There it is, and we're just going to go. There we go. Keep looking at the screen. Gives me the tips on the bottom. That's always very good. I'm just about here. There it is. Looking directly at it. It's out about 50 meters or so. Tons of snow on the roof though. I can still see it. There we go. And our radio signal is pretty good. We're at 50%. As long as I can get out to the lake out there. Well, let's go a little higher. There we go. Yeah, gotta adjust my antennas. Confirm. Just have to step out of view there for a minute. Up a little higher. There we go. We get out to that little lake over there. We can see. There we go. We adjust the antennas. There we go. And I want to come home. We're out about 400 meters or so. That's good enough. We do a return to home and see what happens. Look at that on the left there. Look at that. Here we go. Let's see the return to home. Here we go. Return to home. What's that turnaround? See the turnaround there? Yeah. And I did have the beeping turned off, but it turned back on again. Because you can go up here and you can do the there's a flight. Oh, this one here, silent return. Boom. There we go. You got to turn it off and on again. Okay. Too bad there's no way you can do it with a function button. And it's coming back. There we go. Look at that, eh? I'm going to take a nice picture of the front of the house to see what it comes out like. Okay, when it comes down. I'm back here again. Where are we? Oh, it's coming right down about here. That's really good. So, let's stop that return. Come down. Oh, there's some birds up there. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Oh, run the other way. There we go, backwards. You gotta remember I'm backwards now. Back to front. There we go. Okay. It settles down a little bit that way. There we go. Here we go. Let's stop that. And let's take a picture. There we go. Ready? Here we go. Oh, we got to up this a bit. One. Have to go one. There we go. We'll do one. Take a picture. Boom. Good enough. Let's go back to 0 again. There we go. And come back over to the video. And we're at +5. Got to remember to put these back to 0. Because... Start the video. Here we go. It's always nice to have everything on 0 when you start fresh again. It's coming down again. Here we go. Let's step out of the way for a second here. It comes in. Nice and slow. There it is. And we're just going to bring it down. Boom. I have the skis on it. Didn't do any harm. So let's turn this off. Stop the video. Stop that video. Turn this off. There we go. Turn this off. So there we have it, the Potensic Atom version 1, or I should say, yeah, it was the original, maybe it was, they had the SE, then this, then the LT. The LT is horrible, the SE, supposed to be something like the Fimi Mini 3 SE, but it's not half as good. And then now there's the Atom 2, which is pretty well going to be more up in line with the Fimi Mini 3, okay, and the DJI Mini 4. The only difference really between this and the version 2 is the camera, essentially. Fancy words, AI tracking, AI this, that, and the other. It's all gimmicky stuff, okay? Same as the drones you get to do the flip and do the funny circles and stuff. You use them once or twice and then that's about it. If you're going to buy a video drone with a 4K camera, you're going to use it for video and for photos, okay? primarily you're going to use it for photos. Okay, video is nice if you're into cinematic stuff and you want to post things and things like that, or you have a reason to do a video. But essentially, aerial photography is what you're going to get one of these for. Okay, so till next time, remember, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, get me a hot chocolate. It is kind of cold. And remember, get out, enjoy the outdoors. You can fly these in almost any weather. Give it a shot. We got out 400 or 500 meters, no problems at all. Okay? Take care.